Good evening, Stand 6. So once again I'm before you, and it is a short revision video which I felt that I should share with you. And the motto behind the making of this video is just to make you prepare, make you stress free from the exam. Already you are giving the mock test exams, so please don't take, first of all, my suggestion for all of you would be that please don't take stress or anxiety. It is the exam, okay? And as it is online exam and you are giving exam, you can understand what kind of pattern it is, okay, what kind of pattern it is having. So please, whatever in the exercise works which has been given to you, whether that is your short answer type, whether it is your name the following one word or MCQs, please go through it thoroughly. Don't skip anything. Even the question answers, subjective or descriptive, whatever or objective has been given to you, please go through it, okay? Just go for reading, don't mug up the things, okay? Don't go for rotting, because if you will mug up the things, if you will forget one word, you will spoil the whole question, okay? So please don't mug up. Instead of mugging up, you try to understand the things, go through it, revise it properly. You don't have so much time to go one by one page reading. That is over, okay? Already I have shared the video of every chapter. I have given the question and answers, everything to you. So, and even I have asked you, if there is any problem regarding the chapters or the videos, please mention me in the comment, but I have not got any of the comment. And whatever I have got already, I have replied, okay? And that was not related to the chapter, okay? So please don't panic now, okay? Don't think so, okay, my god, the question will be very tough, or geography is very hard. No, don't have this kind of stuffs in your mind. Instead of that, please focus on the exercise questions. In the exercise, whatever has been given, whatever the question answers has been given, please read, just go through it, okay? Don't try to rot it up, okay? Now just for example, I am giving you this chapter number 1. It is your maps. Yes, this chapter, globes and maps. Just you are seeing here already here, sorry, I think so it will be not clear to you. Write true or false, differentiate between the following, answer the questions in 20 to 30 words, your name the following, fill in the blanks. These all things, please revise it with concentration and focus. That will help you a great, that will help you a lot, okay? Then in your continents and oceans, whatever I have mentioned you, that what are the different types of landforms or water bodies, or whatever the one word or name the following I have given you, please go through it, okay? Because you don't have now so much time that you can go for each and every line given in the book. Please don't go for the chapter reading now. Instead of chapter reading, focus on the question answers, exercise questions. That will help you a lot. Apart from this, if I'm just see chapter and your syllabus, already I had mentioned you chapter 1, 2 and chapter 5. That is your geography syllabus for the mock test 1. So please don't again get confused and mention me, ma'am, syllabus, we have not got syllabus, okay? Now apart from this, if in chapter number 5, there North America, the political and physical division and location, already given you everything. So please go through, fill in the blanks, give reasons, give one word, differentiate between, just go through it, okay? Already you are knowing that there will be no subjective or descriptive questions which are very long questions, okay? So ultimately you have a very not very tough pattern, okay? So don't make yourself indulged in too many things, okay? Instead of that, focus what is important, what is vital, okay? And if there is any problem, please mention me in the comment. If there is any confusion related to any topic or any chapter, please now mention me in the comments so that I can clear your doubts, okay? So thank you, students. Please go through the chapters very well, go through the exercise questions very well, and best of luck for your exams. Don't get panic, don't have anxiety, because that will spoil your exam, Okay, now you don't have much time, so instead of focusing your mind on too many things, it will only distract your mind and it will spoil your exam. So please don't do that. Thank you.